The Book of Revelation warns us, the end of the world will be announced by the sound of 7 trumpets. Each trumpet signals a new apocalyptic event. And after the 7th, Armageddon. For centuries, people have reported eerie sounds, low-frequency hums, the crack of thunder on a clear day, and cannon fire in the middle of nowhere. But it doesn't stop there. At the bottom of the ocean, in outer space, and across the world, mysterious sounds have been heard. Skyquakes, upsweeps, bloops, and recently, videos of these unnatural noises have surfaced. The strangest part? Some of them sound exactly like trumpets. Are these just natural phenomena, or a warning? Follow to uncover the truth.